Hi guys, welcome to another episode here at Gadget Sidekick, and today we're taking on the Evpad 5S, which this one supports a 6K display, which is pretty new, and this is authorized for sale in the Philippines. And look at it, the box is pretty new and it has several options here: App Store, Shopping, Live, and whatnots. And what's nice this time around is that it supports 5G Wi-Fi, which is not supported on the Evpad 3S. And right now guys, join me as we unbox the Evpad 5S. Let's go. So upon opening the box, we can see the Evpad 5S out of the box. So taking it out, we can see it's a matte finish, unlike the other one. It's glossy finish, which I like this one better since it's not really that smudge. It's really more of a smudge proof for me this time around. And this is the display panel. On this side, you have your USB 2.0 and USB 3.0 input, plus micro SD input. At the back, you have several ports: AV, HDMI, LAN, IR, and of course your power in. Underneath there's nothing else, and you can mount this on the wall should you like it. Then taking a quick look, what's left inside the box is you have your user guide, further opening it, you have your power cable and that adapter. And this one is your wall charger. Then you have your HDMI cable, and of course your remote control. Sweet, hey? Look. Now there's two versions of this remote. The other one supports the Google Assistant, where you can talk to it, and yep, everything you said will be displayed on the search bar. But for me right now, this one is already pretty okay. So right now, since we have already unboxed it, let's go ahead and boot it up. Okay guys, so after plugging in the Evpad 5S to our TV, so upon setting up, of course, we need to identify which language you want. Of course, it's definitely English. Then disclaimers, blah blah blah. Next. Then let me set up my Wi-Fi. Okay guys, this is the interface that you will see from the Evpad. So upon entering this one, you need to press on your remote 6868, and you'll enter the express install. Then just press and it will download on its own. Now these are all the VOD that you need to watch, and of course, and if you don't install these, there's nothing inside. So take note of that. So we'll proceed after this completed the installation. So we're almost there. Everybody's almost complete. There. We're all done. Pressing back. Now let's check what this has to offer. This has the HD TV, wherein you can load a lot of lists from Taiwan to many channels. Actually, these are basically Taiwan channels. So let's see what it has to offer. So all you need to do is just keep pressing the down button. So, or you can press the OK button for a long time, so you can see all the complete list on the side. Taiwan channels, TVBS, then Fox channel. There's a lot to choose from here. And yeah, some of my favorite, Phoenix. Then on the other side, you can see that there's Philippine channel, US channel, US and Canada, Hong Kong, China, Taiwan, Japan, Korea, India, Indonesia, and a lot more. Movie, sport, kids, documentary, food, and so much more to come. Now let's take a look at the video on demand. Now this one is the movies and whatnot. Now on top we can see that there are some 4K recommended movies that you can watch, some dramas, variety, well, comics, and child-friendly shows, sports shows, and so much more. And really, let's take a quick look at some 4K movies. So here are some 4K movies. Avengers, no, this is Captain America 3, Avengers Endgame, Thor Ragnarok. So these are some of the movies that we can watch on this Evpad 5S. Wow, that's a lot, really. Let's check some playbacks here. So here are some of the recorded streams. You can check what time you want from your favorite channels in case you miss some of those shows that you're supposed to watch a while ago, but well, you're too busy doing something else. You can always go back using the playback. So it's one really friendly app here on the Evpad. So you can check the store. Okay, Evpad 5 store, Play Store, shopping, and online. So you can ask for support from Evpad using these channels. So here are some apps that you want to take a quick look at: Calculator, Chrome, Evpad 5 stores, and yeah, Google, Jupyter Live, Miracast. This is one important one. So system update, and time to time you might want to check your system if it's up to date. And of course, YouTube, being YouTube, it's one app that you don't want to miss on your Android TV box. Okay, so you just need to simply skip or sign in depending on what you want. You can sign in so that it will recommend you what you really like to watch. So Evpad, make companionship easier. So okay guys, we have already seen the power of the Evpad, what it can do, what it cannot do. It can do almost everything, show you all the films that you want to watch inside this small box that I'm holding. It's pretty palm size, and yeah, I love using this one. I've been using it since the Evpad 3S, and to be honest with you, all my favorite shows are almost inside this pad. Guys, we have an important announcement to make, and Evpad is looking for distributors across Southeast Asia. And if you're one of them, do check out the WhatsApp number that I'm posting on the screen. Give them a call or give them a message so that they can assist you to become their authorized dealer. So if you like this video, do give me a thumbs up. Click the bell icon so you don't miss any of my future review here at Gadget Sidekick. So I'm Richmond, and I hope to see you in my next video. Goodbye.